Let's go and get it. Go and get it. I'm scared. There's like a weird thing chasing me. Where is he? A bench. He loves his benches. He loves his benches. Oh, I don't run often. Where is he? She can't get it. Yo, I need to just lie down for a bit and everything will be fine. Oh, night guys. Where am I? I had a nightmare. This is not where I slept. I can assure you on that. I was. That's where I slept. But it's gotta be. No. The government, they moved me in my sleep. They hate the homeless. They must hate the homeless. They're sneak around. Oh my god, it's the geese. Where is he? Maybe I keep sleeping, I'll eventually find Columbus. Hey, you don't look at me like that. Oh, I'll wind you up, fam. Oh, wow, yeah, he is nightmare, dude. Hey, government! Look at the pigeon. Hey, pigeon! Pigeon! No. Oh, that's sad. I gotta go. Fantastic. Why is he looking at me right now? The geese is scary. He had like a gun on him. I'm going back to bed. I can't do this. I'm gonna go. I'm with a video. With a camera for it. I really need to sleep. I don't want to be here anymore. It was scary. Everything's scary. Oh my god, I don't normally feel alone. I hate the living rooms. No, someone who like me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm scared. I'm going to bed. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice nap. Wait, that's not the bench I slept on. What the hell? I'm going this way. I'm really scared. What happened to... What if the Rongin's dead? Wait, I recognise this field. The clock tower. I know where that is. I know this place. I always have. From the clock tower. Oh my god. Where is it? Wait, that's there. I know the perfect place that any person would go. All the way to bed. I don't care. I'm going to sleep. I do not care. I'm so not scared. What the hell are these? Yeah, it's like a concrete block. No, flip it, because I like flipping things. Bench to go to bed on. Let's go. To bed. Part 3. This is not where I slept. This is like this is the weirdest dreams I've had in a while. Oh, this is weird. Let's go in. Oh, let's not go in. It's locked. It's really weird back here. I'm going to Green Headquarters. It's the only good place to go. So it's only safe. I'm gonna try and contact the Red Kid when I get there. Please remember my name. My name is Dwayne, and I've got a way to get there. I'm going back to bed. Sitting up though. Yes, dream headquarters. Clone Kid, I'm coming for you. I'm gonna save you, and I'm gonna make sure you're safe. I'm not gonna kill you for getting lost in the dream rooms. Roll the dice. That looks like the same. God, right here. Oh God, there's many of them. There's one more. There's two more. Oh my God, there's two. Over the hill, some trenches. I have to go over. Okay, go first and foremost. Whoa. Where they go? Yeah, there's no one. They're behind. Into the train. Solo adventures with Dwayne. Dwayne and the solo adventure. Oh, look at them blood marks. Clonky was there. Clonky was obviously here by himself. He got killed, and he left his blood for me to find them. Clearly, that's how it works. It isn't the fact that it's just probably just bark. Wait. I hear him. That's Clone Kid. I'm gonna try my video up, and I'm gonna keep recording my documentary of I'm scared, but I hear them. So I might just go get him now. Actually, I hear him. He's here everywhere. Oh, I'm stuck. No, I'm stuck. I need a big, strong man to save me. Oh no, I need Clone Kid. Clone Kid.